truck ever, as in for a fire truck. Its ladder can go up and it can reach higher, up in the sky. And over here, there's some buttons for the sirens. This one's for the horn, the lights, or this is the engine. And that's the sound of the sirens. If you press them again, they will turn on. And here's a really long hose. Put out the fire. And then it comes into the, and here's the tongue. And it goes in here and there, then into the hose, and it goes here, and then shoots out the nozzle. And yes, you can attach this, to the ladder. Like this. And here's another ladder. This is a little bit small because the fire truck is so high. Then you can use that. Not all fire trucks have like this. You can, if you go to a big beach where there's a lot of water, you can get a bucket. You can fill up a bucket from the beach, then pour the water in here. Then you can use this pump. Then it will pump out from the nozzle. And this is the tank. You pour water in here, and it goes into a pipe. Then it shoots out from the nozzle through the hole. Then it shoots out from the nozzle. Oops. And this one is a different. It's a hydraulic. And this holds the ladder from falling down. If it doesn't have a hydraulic, it'll just go down and then hit the top. This one keeps the ladder from the ladder from going up. Or this one can go like this, or down, up, down, up, down, up, 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 up. And this can also turn around, or this way, or this way, or this way. Ah! Okay, kids, I'll show you the last truck.